hard drive rescue. So first, to get this apart, get something sharp. This will work. Maybe I think I'm cutting at the right spot. We cut the tape. Maybe even peel it back a little. My friend tried getting the hard drive from this, and he was unsuccessful, so here I am taking a crack at it. And the top cover is removed. Alright, how does this cover come off? Detach to remove. Here we go. And over here we have that screw there, and the screw back there. That's what my friend got stuck on over at the YouTube channel M Copulus. It's a pretty good channel if you ask me. Some great content there. Trying to be a little quiet. There's people sleeping. It's a bit late, but I'll still make a video. And I'll get the stuff to get the hard drive out before everything falls. So stay tuned. See if this works. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And then, man, talk about easy peasy, it's coming out. One. This may require two hands, or maybe just turning the screwdriver in the right way. Feels like it's coming out regardless. And as some people out there would say, et voila. What do we got here? Looks like there's some thermal pads for heat dissipation, it looks like. We got a Western Digital 1 terabyte. It's a nice size hard drive. 2013. Yeah, it's about how old I thought this box was. So time to go upstairs and test this hard drive. Alright, now we're back upstairs, and I gotta remove this from that hard drive. This was a good Salvation Army find. We want to put that. See if I'm putting this in right. Like I'm not even recording it. Whoops, sorry about that. Put that like that. Then grab this and put that in there like that. And power adapter that was on the floor. I just saw it. I think it's this. So let's see. Let's plug this in. Hopefully the SATA cable works. I don't think I've ever actually used it. Plug that in like that. Should detect it. Get our power cord. Let's see if she works. Sounds like it. Sounds like it's working. We want that. I have an idea. Let me try the connections on the actual computer instead of the USB hub on the monitor. Might have to install drivers. Yeah, give it a moment. Didn't take long. Looks like it installed. Of course, that doesn't work. Maybe unplug it and plug it back in. These adapters are sometimes a little fussy. Maybe try. Huh, that's odd. It's not showing up. One thing I want to try now, it may be a little stupid. I'm going to take that hard drive and put it in a computer, see what happens, see if it boots up. I doubt anything will happen, but worth a shot, I'd say. We can get this side panel off. You're in. I'm just going to leave it off, kind of put it there. Steal it from the optical drive. I'm not going to use it. Whoops. And then this will just sit there like that since it's got a silly fan connected to it. And I'll plug everything in and see what happens. Alright, so the more cables on the floor, the better, right? So, computer's on. It's got power. See what happens. Oh, wait, maybe I should unplug the original hard drive. Let me do that. Take two. You can tell I'm so good at making videos, huh? If nothing happens, that's fair. And I don't think anything's happening. Well, it does detect the hard drive, so that's a good thing. Maybe it just needs formatted. I won't do that in this video. I won't bore you that long. Well, so, I want to thank you guys for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have one. I do read them.